Hello there, Justin here again from Brickright. Today we got something different. We're going to do a maintenance job. We're going to be cleaning a patio. Let's show you what it's like and hopefully we do a good job. So this is the path. I did this about 15 years ago, the customer tells me. Hasn't had much attention. There's a lot of black spot and white spot and weeds and everything growing on it. So we've got to repoint this all the way around here and get it clean. So let's get on with it and hopefully it turns out to be a lot better than what it actually is right now. Okay, this is the final walkthrough of what we did. As you can see, it turned out really nice. Got all the weeds out of it, got all, well, the majority of all the black spot off it, and yeah, customers really pleased. This brickwork came up really good. Never used flowpoint on the brickwork before. As you can see, that matches the same joint now as in the patio, and it's all done through there. So yeah, a really nice job. And if anyone says Indian sandstone's crap and you can't keep it clean, this is 15-year-old, brought back from the brink, and it's looking like the day we installed it. So job done. So there we go. If you could please like and subscribe and give us a like, it'd mean the world to us. And if you could yeah, just click that button to subscribe to us, trying to get to the 10,000, so we'd be really appreciated. Hope you like the video, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers.